If you want to allow people to repost your Instagram posts and reels, here's a simple step-by-step guide to enable it on your account. First of all, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram and tap on Update if it's available. Now, open the Instagram app on your device. Then, go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to access settings and activity. From here, scroll down to the section called How Others Can Interact with You and tap on Sharing and Reuse. Here, you will see the option called Repost on Post and Reels under Allow People to Share Your Content. Make sure this toggle is switched on. And that's all. Now people will be able to repost your posts and reels. That's all for this quick guide. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips like this.